Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing Tidmouth Station. First I'll talk about the box itself. This is of the Thomas Wooden Railway brand. And it came out in 2014, I believe. In the back there's some nice artwork. And there's just an open area on the front. This was one of the last Thomas Wooden Railway items at the store I bought it from, which is interesting as I find this a very eye-catching item, which many people would buy. Another thing about this item is the eye-catching gold bar at the bottom, which disappeared on later items, released by Mattel, as you can see right there. And, of course, it's in multiple languages because it's Canada. And I guess we can get to opening it. So it's a little hard to fit this on screen. I'm gonna open the track part first. I don't want to break the box. Standard 8-inch piece of track. Only thing is it has knobs in it which help you connect to the station like this. There's holes in the station. I'm not a big fan of knobs because it makes this piece of track limited to only this item. That's okay. It comes with a cargo piece as well. Interesting fact, there's no cargo car in this, I believe. Don't see any. Now on to opening the box itself. There's a little tab at the bottom here. Yes. And a screwdriver is required. I'll be right back. Thought I might at least record this. Sorry. I'm guessing the station will just fall loose. No? Oh, there's another product here. Looks like I'll need scissors as well, so I'll be back. After much wrestling, I got the item out of its box. As you can see. I'll find a place to put this on my box display. So now let's review the item. So, it has great detail on the front, as you can see right here. And on the side, there's a brick